talked about how blockchains are becoming financial rails on which economic activity runs. But blockchain infrastructure is often discussed in parts. You have a wallet provider, maybe you need a bridge, and you need to think about a banking integration. The burden of stitching those pieces together often falls on the builder, pulling time and effort away from what they actually want to build. The issue isn't with any one piece of infrastructure. It's that the pieces were never designed to work together as a system. That's the gap Circle was built to address. Circle isn't just a stablecoin issuer. It's a full-stack developer platform for programmable money, and everything starts with money. Welcome to Arc 101, a series about building with programmable money on a stablecoin native blockchain built for on-chain economic activity. Circle is the company behind Arc and the broader platform around it. Arc is the blockchain foundation Circle built for programmable money. Around that foundation, Circle brings together the digital assets, APIs, wallets, cross-chain infrastructure, and banking rails developers need to build real applications. Circle issues regulated digital assets, including USDC, EURC, and USYC. Production-grade financial primitives. From there, Circle provides the blockchain infrastructure, APIs, wallets, bridges, and banking rails, all designed to work together as a system. So instead of assembling infrastructure, developers can focus on building products. First, the infrastructure foundation. At this level, we have Arc serving as the blockchain infrastructure. By using USDC as its native gas token, Arc anchors transaction costs in stable value rather than volatility. Powered by the Malachite consensus engine, Arc delivers deterministic sub-second finality. Once a transaction is confirmed, it is irreversible. The surrounding ecosystem of managed node providers and data indexers give developers scalable access to Arc and efficient ways to query on-chain data, enabling responsive wallet interactions and predictable on-chain behavior. But infrastructure isn't just about what happens on-chain. It also determines how value enters and exits the system. To connect on-chain activity with traditional finance, Circle Mint connects directly to banking rails. Institutional customers can mint and redeem USDC or EURC on a one-to-one basis with US dollars or euros using connected bank accounts and unified APIs. So how do you build on this solid foundation? Most blockchain platforms give you protocols, node endpoints, and documentation. Circle gives you REST APIs. If you've built modern web backends, these patterns will feel familiar. Standard HTTP requests, bearer token authentication, JSON responses, webhook notifications for async events. The APIs handle creating wallets, sending transfers, bridging across chains, managing balances, and on and off ramping between fiat and crypto. Circle also provides SDKs that go one layer higher. They abstract authentication, transaction state management, error handling, and webhook verification. So you're not wiring raw HTTP requests, you're calling methods. And there's a sandbox environment where everything works like production, but with testnet tokens. That's where you prototype safely before going live. This is the interface layer. APIs and SDKs that feel like building standard web apps. With that foundation and interface, here's what becomes possible. Flexible wallet experiences, using developer-controlled wallets with application-managed keys, user-controlled wallets where custody stays with the user, or modular wallets that support passkeys and composable security modules. Cross-chain transfers that don't force users to think in chains. CCTP moves USDC natively via burn and mint across blockchains. BridgeKit wraps this into concise SDK calls. And Gateway gives applications a single USDC balance that works across supported chains. Transaction lifecycle management. Transactions are processed asynchronously, and every state is observable, from initiation through blockchain submission to final confirmation. Circle pushes webhook updates as states change, so you're not polling endlessly. Users never need to manage native gas tokens. Developers can sponsor transaction fees using USDC through Gas Station, or let users pay gas directly in USDC via Paymaster. Both have gas denominated in USDC, and sponsored usage is consolidated into predictable, periodic billing. Then there's the operational layer. The Circle Developer Console provides key management, webhook configuration, logs, and monitoring, giving you visibility into how your application is operating in production. Blockchains may be becoming financial rails, but rails alone aren't enough. What matters is how the system is designed around them. Circle brings stablecoins, blockchain infrastructure, APIs, cross-chain movement, banking rails, and operational tooling together as a single integrated platform. So instead of assembling infrastructure, developers can build what they actually came here to build. I'll see you in the next video.